So here we are, Green Abundance, back at the Open Spirit Edible Forest Garden here in Framingham. And so what we're going to talk about today is a little Earthworks project that we have planned here. So what's happening currently with the water is that from about this side of the parking lot all the way kind of down into through here, all this water gets channeled along a little indentation in the pavement through here before it then hits this corner right here. And as it currently stands, the grass in the pathway here is just high enough that the water doesn't go down through there, and instead builds up and starts moving its way along this garden bed edge here before it finally hits the low point, which is right at the corner of the path, the banister there where the hose is, and then shoots its way down over this rock wall. As you can see, there's a little bit of erosion that's happened there. So the main problem with this is the fact that water is building up and then picking up speed and velocity and moving its way close to the building where we do not want it. So the proposed Earthworks project is looking to solve this. So the first thing that we're going to do is dig out this section of the pathway here. You can see that orange tape there. That's the boundary marker. And basically that orange tape signifies 1 inch of elevation lower than the low point down at the end there. So what will that do? So when we dig this out here, we're going to dig out below, so it's going to be dug out so that the base of this basin will be lower than that point over there, which is about just roughly 6 inches. So this will be dug out 6 inches down to that point over there, basically tapering. It'll be deeper here and shallower there. And what we're also going to do while we're doing this is dig out a little channel right along the side here, going to that point. And so by digging this channel, we're going to make it level along the whole path. Its depth will be level at the base of it, and then we'll backfill it with some sort of crushed stone, probably bluestone. What this will allow us to do is when the water comes and hits that point there, it's going to fill this basin here. It's going to flow into this channel here that we create, but before it has a chance to overflow at that point and go over there, instead, because we've made this just an inch shorter, it's going to fill up and then overflow at the high point over here, which will then flow into this garden bed, which was placed on contour, so the front edge of this garden bed is all at the same height in terms of elevation. So we'll be able to passively harvest the water that's coming off here and put it into this area of the garden as opposed to down there by the building where nothing really is growing. So yeah, this is coming up. Excited to see what harvesting more water passively can do. Yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts.